Hey everyone, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about a salad dressing I've been purchasing for a while. It's Ken's Steakhouse Lite Chunky Blue Cheese Dressing. So I'm not typically a fan of blue cheese at all, but I do like it. Like, I know my family and like my husband really like it with hot buffalo wings. So I'm vegetarian, so I purchased these buffalo wings by Morningstar Farms, and they're completely vegetarian. And I can't eat them without chunky blue cheese. So that's like specifically what I purchased this for. It's the best kind of dressing that goes with it. And I think a lot of people will agree, like football Sundays are coming up. Like you got to have blue cheese dressing if you're going to have buffalo wings. Like it kind of goes hand in hand. I just really like this. It has like a great blue cheese flavor with a slight like vinegary tang. So it livens up kind of like whatever you're eating, whether it's like a green salad or vegetables, stuff like that. Oh, I love this with celery too, and fresh carrot sticks. So really, really good. And I love Ken's. I've been purchasing Ken's for years. My favorite dressing of theirs is the balsamic, but this one is also like really, really good. The product dimensions, it's 8.4 by 6.4 by 1.7 inches. It's 2.3 pounds. That's the weight. And then you could order these, of course, online. You can get them in grocery stores. They do have, I think you can get them in 2-pack. They do have a regular chunky blue cheese, which is like so delicious as well. When I went to the grocery, I would have bought that. Of course, this is good because it's lighter. It's probably less calories and stuff. But this was just what happened to be available at the grocery store, so I picked it up. But Ken's Steakhouse dressing has been around since 1941, so it's definitely like a well-established brand. Ken's Steakhouse Lite Chunky Blue Cheese is 50% less fat and 33% fewer calories than regular dressing. You do have to shake it well and refrigerate after opening. Satisfaction guaranteed or your money back from Ken. Best when purchased by date on label there, so it doesn't expire until November of 2018. It is a delicious dressing made with mild, creamy, aged blue cheese that enhances without overwhelming. That's true. It's like not too much, not too little. It's just like the right amount of flavor. Fat per serving, this product 8 grams, regular dressing 16 grams. Calories per serving, this product 80. Regular dressing is 150. So yeah, that definitely makes a really big difference. Nutrition facts, serving size is 2 tablespoons. Servings about 16, 80 calories, and 70 fat calories. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Ken's Foods Incorporated is in Marlborough, Massachusetts, and product of USA. So we went over the fat already, 8 grams, saturated fat 1.5 grams, cholesterol 10 grams, sodium 360 milligrams, total carb 2 grams, sugars 1 gram, protein 1 gram. Wow. To be honest, I'm like just looking at the nutrition facts now, really not bad. Not bad at all. And especially for a blue cheese, like a nice thick dressing. I want you guys to see the thickness in there. I prefer when like dressing products have like the easy to pour spout, like instead of this large one, because it's like so many times I've overestimated how much I'm about to pour, and I poured like half the bottle on my salad, and I can't be the only one that's done that, although I am pretty ditzy at times. So yeah, you guys can see like how thick it is and stuff. Just really great. I mean, I love when things are versatile. So it's like not only is it great for a salad, but it's also really good with fresh veggies on, like I said before, buffalo, chicken wings, whatever. People could always use, like they could always use this in different foods and for different snacks and stuff like that. So like I said, basically find this in any grocery store or online is probably like your best bet. I know that like I think it was like my mom's friend was telling me, she's like, my kid is so picky and like this is the only blue cheese dressing that he'll ever eat. So that's good too. Like that's saying a lot. If someone's picky but they like this product, then it's like, oh, more people are probably bound to like it as well. And it's just really good. I just think it's a really great dressing. It's yummy. It won't expire for a while, so that's good. Like it doesn't expire until November, and I purchased this like 2 weeks ago, so that's pretty good. Definitely go through. I eat a lot of salads and vegetables and stuff like that, so I'll definitely go through it. it has a good amount of, it's like a little chunky too, which is good, like, you know, like it says in the name. So I like that. So it makes you feel like you're eating a little bit more, which I don't know, maybe it's like a thing in my head, but I think that helps me feel fuller faster. And yeah, just really great flavor all around, great products. It's Ken's Steakhouse Light Chunky Blue Cheese Dressing. Try this next time you're at the grocery store. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching.